Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Machine Learning with Harshit Olawalia. I help other candidates or newbie to learn data science. So if you're new to this channel, then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon too and never miss an update. This video is for those who are looking for jobs or internships in the field of data science. Wanted to get started with data science? Here is the first step. Start with Python. If you want to learn Python, then the Python programming playlist link is in the description. Go check it out and feel free to contact me via Instagram, LinkedIn, or you can join our Telegram community channel, link is in the description. So let's jump into the video.